Can this technology be utilized for individual buildings? So what drives focus on district heating systems?
Yeah, it's a really good question as well. So absolutely, it can be used on individual buildings. We're focused on district energy systems for a few reasons. I'm actually going to show a slide for that. District energy systems and the European trend, I think a significant portion of our attendees are in Europe. Europe is absolutely doing the right thing by focusing on district energy systems and the growth of those as the solution to long-term decarbonization of heating. And integration of heat pumps into those district energy systems as a part of that. That's one of the reasons that we're focused on it, because we see the trend to district energy system, both what's happening today in Europe, as well as what's starting to happen in other regions as well. And the combination of district energy systems, district cooling and parallel district cooling and district heating systems, and playing off of each other as the long-term trend. And it also becomes the ultimate solution to the other trend that's happening, which is potentially going to give us a blowback in terms of the heat pump trend. And what I mean by that is the resiliency factor. If you're going to replace all these furnaces and boilers on individual residences and buildings with heat pumps, and you're going to do it with little air to water heat pumps, that electrical load on that local electrical grid, and as well as the financial burden on those individual houses, unless it's fully subsidized, is significant. And the risk associated with that demand side electrical load, if the wind's not blowing and the sun's not shining on the renewables, which ultimately is driving that trend to the heat pumps on the demand side, that risk on that disconnect, if you don't have sufficient storage in between, is significant. And how you address that risk is with a district energy system itself, because that has a built-in storage factor, and it also enables multiple other storage options. And then it also enables utilizing multiple heat sources, including those symbiosis applications, such as on a critical facility. If it's done on a critical facility, such as a data center or a hospital or an industrial production process where you're cooling that load and then recovering the heat to the district heating system. And here's the critical aha, right? Is each one of those critical facilities has their own backup power systems as well. So if your storage isn't sufficient and you need to operate that backup power, then all of a sudden you're supplying heat to the district energy system in addition to the cooling, critical cooling to that critical facility. So that's a longer answer to the question, but that's why we're focused on district energy systems today, is because we see the growth of that along with the growth of the electrification of heating as a symbiosis relationship, to use that word too much today.